Hey, this is Chris with Curtsy Fabrications, and I'm here with the Practical 3D print of the day. So I'm sitting here putting a new license plate right here on my truck, and I had this license plate holder that I'd never used before. So the point of this was to simply just put this on and get this added, but come to find out, these little pieces here and here, which actually hold the screws in place, are missing. So went into Fusion 360 real quick, modeled some pieces. These are then printed on my custom built printer and Maker Geek's carbon fiber PLA. I'm going to see if these pop in, see if they work. This shouldn't go in too easy, but it should go in, and that doesn't move. Same thing with this one. I got a hammer if I need it. There we go. Again, they're carbon fiber. I can hit them with a hammer. Not going to break. Again, chose the carbon fiber. Chose the high temperature PLA because these are going to be on the road. I don't want them to mess up. Those are in. Pop in my nice Dragonfly license plate that I picked up this year. Got some standard M5 screws, which is what I modeled the threads in these prints for. There you go. Again, these did not have to be tapped. I modeled them in Fusion 360, backed off the threads a little bit so that they worked. And I'm going to line this up. That one. And that one. There we go. Practical 3D print achieved. Saved myself from having to buy a whole new license plate because I'm sure they don't sell those pieces individually. Now if I have any breakage, if these ever need to be replaced, I simply print new ones and we're good to go. Thanks for joining me.